Oh man, we're back. You figured that all these tunnels and elevators would end up in like in a tundra or somewhere, but we're still freezing.
Well, I got good news for you, Soggy Bottoms. You and I are gonna quit this, whatever we're supposed to be doing out here. We're gonna flip this house.
Yes, I need to go. I want to put an elevator in there too. Oh, what's this?
That's a gun.
Oh, I know that's that flare gun. He shot it in some direction and we saw it.
You can buy those at Walmart for $50. Comes with ammunition.
Man, that's a deal. Filled, already filled, ready to go. Man, they really want you to use those things. What is this? Is this? Do we have to like? Do we have to like build a bridge? No, wait a minute. Look, way down there. Right outside of the range of the fog.
I was looking at that, and they got symbols down there. And they got latches.
Latches. Maybe. We have to go down to it, or maybe they come up here. Where'd you go? Did you fall down? You died, didn't you?
No, no, I'm looking at the something I don't want to have to deal with today.
Oh,
Come up the hill.
hey, it's a gear and a wheel and a door. There's a pull it. Ready to pull it. Let's see. It looks like pipe going over here. Pull. What's? Were they not there? Okay. All right.
Yep. That's what it's gonna be. It's gonna be a build. Build your own bridge. Oh no!
What? This is like, well, it's not match. Never mind.
Oh no! Soggy Bottoms!
You just died.
I had to climb out. Thank you for that.
You're welcome. I'm glad I could be of service. Alright, so what do we gotta do? It looks like a sliding puzzle, maybe. Operate.
Yeah, I say we just quit. I'll draw a picture of us solving the puzzle, and that'll be the video. 'Cause I don't like this one.
Okay. So it looks like there's a red line. Red. We got a star, and what looks like a planet with many moons. Looks like two suns. Like Saturn. Looks like an eyeball. Looks like maybe a comet. It does have kind of a space thing. So maybe the eyeball is actually a moon eclipse.
Out here on the bridge, I'm noticing that the star latches on to the planet with many moons.
Yes.
And what comes next is the crescent moon. The crescent moon is not latching.
How about now?
Now it's latching.
Okay, what's next?
I stand on the crescent moon and I get Jupiter. Or is it Saturn? Saturn has rings, right?
Yes.
It latched.
Okay, what's next?
And now it's the stars.
Okay.
And what comes next is the comet. To my right and to my left is the cosmos.
Cosmos. Okay. So apparently...
But it looks like the comet leads... Oh no!
What's that?
That was my bad.
Oh!
I'm sorry. I stood out on the comet. I was thinking.
Shameful. Okay, so when you're standing... Let's see, are they all linked up now?
Alright, I'm on the crescent moon. Crescent moon latched. I'm on Saturn. It latches. I'm on the star. It latches.
Yeah.
What comes next is the comet. It does not latch.
Okay. Alright, so... What if... Just thinking... I move... I don't know if this is going to work or not. What about now?
Go ahead and play. still not latching.
Okay. Alright, I'm going to move Saturn out of the way and put Comet. Bunch of red dots. What now?
You got it to latch. And what comes next? Yep. What comes next is the eclipse.
Okay. So looks like there's two more. So maybe an issue. What now?
It did not latch. Comet needs to latch.
Oh no! Wait a minute. That's. Maybe that's something. Does the eclipse look like an eyeball, or is it like two quarters stacked on top of each other?
It looks like a butt.
What's that?
There you go.
Is that working?
Yeah,
Is that working?
you had it latched. You just had it latched. I don't know what you did.
Did I? What now? No?
Nope. You had it. There you go. You got it.
Okay.
You got it.
Yes.
What comes next? And the crescent moon, which is latched.
Yes.
And then the planet with lots of moons.
Lots of moons. Okay, so I need to move the one you're standing on, I guess. And,
So is that gonna...
and the butts out of the way so I can get the moon with the moons.
Alright, is that gonna drop me, though?
I don't know, but go back to the comment.
Okay.
Let me win.
Alright, and you can go.
Okay, I'm moving the butts out of the way. And I'm moving it down one. Moving it over. I'm taking the eclipse, I think. And I'm moving it down here. I'm moving it down one. I'm taking the moon with the mini moons. And I'm sliding it all the way around to the end. I guess that's where it goes. Because now I need to do eclipse again. Slide it around.
I think you're just making this all up. I think you have the switch that says connect all the bridges. But you're making up some kind of elaborate story.
Well, I'm just kind of going off of what you're saying, and what about now? Try it on. See what happens.
Alright.
Don't die.
The butt latches, the crescent moon latches. It latches. Alright, I'm across.
Yes! Woo!
Need to find a switch.
Yeah, because I'm locked in my thing. How do I...
They got some pagan symbols out here.
How do you get off F, E...
You just stop looking at it.
Okay. Alright.
Huh?
Hear the music. That's so wonderful.
That locked me in.
Man, this is like the easiest puzzle ever. I don't know. I figured it was going to take us like hours to do this thing.
I see you.
Crazy.
See you right across the bridge.
Woohoo.
I'm locked up here.
Where you at?
I'm in my princess balcony. You see
there
me?
you are.
Romeo?
I see you right there. Hey! Woo! You see me down here waving at you?
I
waving
see
down
you.
here? Alright, I'm coming up here to see what you're doing.
I guess we can knock on the door and see
what?
if one's inside.
Hang on, are you trapped in here?
Yeah?
Well, you got a ship's wheel, captain's wheel over there. Can you get out?
You would think that I would possess the strength. Yeah, it's
climb over
been
that
many
little tiny
moons
railing
since
right
I've
there?
ate.
I saw another door when I was walking up here.
I'm going inside. Sick of being outside, nothing but puzzles and gimmicks.
I'm inside now. I hope it's so much warmer.
Alright, Satan.
I hear him.